Right, very slight quick update on the Mondeo. It's at the Peugeot dealers now, getting its tracking redone and also getting its tyres rebalanced, which, yeah, hopefully we'll get rid of the weeble wobble on the front wheels. But yeah, so there she is. She's on a 4-post lift. She'll go up, car goes up, car goes down, and all that sort of thing. And as you can see, they've got a fair few Peugeots in here for work. Right, see you soon. Well, the bad news is that the wheels are badly buckled. They'll balance, but yeah, there's some buckling on them. I think what he's doing at the moment is that he's balance. Well, he might be balancing the other wheel, I don't know. No fucking idea whatsoever what he's doing. He's put the driver's side wheel on. Ah, here he is. Ah, there he is. Okay. So, yeah, there we go. And now he's just going to track it up. So hopefully that will cure some problems. But there's a tyre spot which is about 2 kilometres away down the road. It's a garage and what have you. So with luck, I'll be able to make myself understood enough to get all these done and get all the wheels straightened out and see what there is, see what's happening with them. But you know, I mean, that's one of the dangers of sort of like driving over here, especially on some of the terrain that I've been on. I mean, that poor little car has been asked so much of it. It's not really, yeah, it's not really designed for this sort of thing. Ideally what we need is long wheelbase steel wheels, even though a lot of cars over here do have alloy wheels, but still. Anyway, so that's basically the state of play with it at the moment. He's managed to balance the wheels up. Whether they'll actually stay on or not is another matter. Well, stay balanced as it were is another matter, but still. Right, back soon. Intervene because lad over there was about to use an angle grinder to remove the nut. The reason why he couldn't remove the nut was because he didn't clean off the threads with a wire brush first. So of course, as he tried to undo the nut, it jammed up. Yes, as I'm telling the folks, the reason why he couldn't undo the nut was because he didn't use a fucking wire brush to clean off the threads. So of course, when he backed off the nut, all the dirt got into the threads and just locked it. Hmm?
Yeah, gummed it up.
Yeah, and gummed it up.
This is why I don't use garages.
So yeah.
But it's off now.
It's off now, and a new nut is on. So all it needs now is just
The 20-minute job it should have been at the beginning.
yeah.
Okay.
But I'm going to argue with them and say, look, you know, I worked on this fucking car.
Yeah.
You know.
But to be fair, it's just one of those things though. Sometimes it happens.
Sometimes it happens. Fucking hell, listen to the weevil.
Well, nobody does.
No, it's not. It's perfect.
You should have.
No, you always clean threads off like that with a wire brush first. The thing is
Let's point out, he's about what, 20, 25?
he said, yeah, and he said, oh, angle grinder, 1 minute.
Yeah.
But with what angle grinder,
Yeah, heats it up.
not only does it heat it up, but also sort of like once the nut actually pops, you then bite into the threads and you ruin the threads, which means that sort of like where it needs to lock up, it can't because it doesn't have a full thread. And he's not quite getting that.
Yeah, but he's like 25 and you're like 50 odd and you've got like 20 years more experience than he has.
Yeah.
My old narc is I wish I never started it in the first place.
Oh, be quiet.
It went, it ran. I'm like them Bulgarians. If it goes,
Yeah, and that we're doing 2,000 miles back to the UK with the way that those front tyres were skimming off. We'd be down to the fucking canvas by the time we got through Germany.
You were on about changing the fucking tyres before we went.
That's dependent on the fucking money from the NHS.
Don't say
Well, anyway, so it's about to be tracked up now. This is the nut, and as you can see, he's rounded over every fucking corner. That's from the nut splitter, and as you can see there, that's where it went. So we split it open. Now normally what I would do is that I will bite in there, and then when you start biting in there, that then starts to lever back and it breaks there. But still, and oh focus, you fuck. Right, let's, there he goes. You can see what he's done. That's the outside leading edge, but you see, that's what happens when you use an inappropriate tool for the job. You know, he's rounded over every single one. Right, so at the moment it's now getting tracked up on that side, and we should be good to go soon. God, oops. Right, fucking autofocus. Yeah, so we should be good to go soon.